In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the digital code on your Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Redeeming a digital code that you might have acquired for a game, an expansion, or an add-on is extremely simple. Usually, you are going to have the instructions listed on the pamphlet or the paper that you got alongside your code, but in this video, I'm gonna cover the full process, and you will be able to follow along visually. So to do this, you have to access the eShop. So from the home screen of your Switch, use the navigation bar with all the icons at the bottom and select the Nintendo eShop. If you have never connected to the internet on your Nintendo Switch, you will be required to access a network in order to access the eShop. So if necessary, follow the instructions on screen, go into the system settings, and make sure that you have a network connection available. Now, once you are done, you will be able to access the eShop, and if you look at the menu at the left side of the screen, there will be plenty of options or categories. Make sure that you are signed into a Nintendo account, and at the left, you will be able to browse through featured, recent releases, great deals, etc. And the last option should be enter code or redeem code. This is all you have to do to use the digital code on your Nintendo Switch. Immediately upon heading into enter code, you will be able to enter a 16-digit code on your Nintendo Switch. The types of code that can be entered here include Nintendo eShop prepaid codes that are going to add currency to your balance, Nintendo Switch online membership codes, and other redeemable codes for full games, expansions, and add-ons. As you can see, they are divided into 4 characters 4 times, so in total a 16-digit code. You can redeem them here to the Nintendo account that you are currently signed into, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. As long as you enter a valid code, you are going to see the details about what you are redeeming, and it is going to be added to your account instantly. If you redeem the game, you can simply go back to the home screen and it is going to be available to download. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a digital code on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.